Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analysts' choices for today.
Shares advanced in Tokyo and Sydney, while most Asian markets were closed for holidays. The traditional Labour Day holidays around the globe likely limited initial market reactions to a delay in an expected decision by US regulators on what to do with troubled First Republic Bank. The Bitcoin network hit a new all-time high for the number of daily transactions processed. There were more confirmed transactions than it had ever had in its 14-year history, beating the previous record set during the 2017 bull run. Chevron and ExxonMobil have announced big earnings beats, as big oil continues to perform exceptionally well in the face of economic uncertainty. Profits are down around 40% from the all-time high quarterly figures last year, but they're still almost double the average performance from the past decade.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US factory orders will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index at 12:55 GMT, Germany's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT. The Eurozone's Harmonised Index of Consumer Prices will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 0430 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.